Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best cat care kit is probably one of the most essential investments for any cat owner. Keeping your feline friend happy and healthy is a top priority, and having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into a comprehensive cat care kit, exploring its contents and how they can contribute to your cat's well-being. Number 5. Aumuca Cat Brush for Shedding. This brush is the perfect gift for pet owners, vets, and groomers. Using it regularly can gently and effectively remove loose hair, tangles, and dirt, leaving your pet shiny and healthy. The metal pins have round rubber tips, perfect for massaging your pets without scratching their skin, even sensitive skin. After use, you can hang it up with the silicone loop strap. Made of durable stainless steel and ABS material, the bristles are thicker and more sturdy. The 150 degrees bent needles are designed to penetrate deep into the coat, making grooming easier. After brushing, simply click the button to separate the brushed hair from the metal needle. This saves time and energy when grooming and cleaning. If there are any problems during use, we provide replacement or a full money-back guarantee. We also have a professional customer service team to assist you. What we like. This cat brush is perfect for removing loose hair and tangles, leaving your cat's coat shiny and healthy. It features skin-friendly massage needles with round rubber tips, ensuring a comfortable grooming experience without scratching your pet's skin. If you have a long-haired cat that sheds a lot, this brush will be your best friend. What people say. The nail clippers are easy to use and have a safety guard. The brush is soft and gentle on the cat's fur. The kit includes all the essential grooming tools. Number 4. Native Pet Omega-3 Fish Oil. This fish oil supplement is made with wild Alaskan fish oil. It promotes a shiny coat, healthy skin, and strong joints. It's all in one delicious pump. Made with wild-caught pollock and salmon oil, this ensures the highest quality and sustainability. It uses no added fillers, just pure, premium ingredients to support your pet's health. This supplement is packed with essential EPA, DHA, and vitamin E. It supports your dog's immune health, joint mobility, and overall vitality. This fish oil is packed with omega-rich nutrients to support skin, coat, joint, and heart health. It's made with clean, effective ingredients and no added fillers. This is a real champ, fighting off skin troubles with omega-3, 6, and 9. It supports a shiny coat, reduces shedding, and promotes healthy skin. This fish oil is more than skin deep, it's a hip and joint supplement dogs love. Every pump delivers essential fatty acids that support heart health and ease stiffness. From playful pups to senior dogs, this is a must-have in your dog health supplies. It's an easy, tasty upgrade to any routine, supporting skin, coat, and comfort. What we like. This fish oil supplement promotes healthy skin, a shiny coat, and strong joints for your furry friend. It's made with wild Alaskan salmon oil, packed with essential omega-3s. If you are looking for a supplement to reduce shedding and improve your pet's overall health, this is a great choice. What people say. The nail clippers are sharp and easy to use. The brush is soft and effective at removing loose hair. The kit includes all the essential grooming tools for cats. Number 3. Rocco and Roxie Litter Box Odor Eliminator. Tired of unpleasant smells? This natural urine deodorizer is designed to neutralize odors at a molecular level. It keeps your cat's litter box smelling fresh and clean. This product mixes easily with all types of litter, extending its life. You'll find yourself scooping less and saving money because you need less litter overall. Made with non-toxic, plant-based ingredients, it's safe for people, pets, and the environment. The highly absorbent corncob granules effectively wick away moisture. It's not just for litter boxes. This deodorizer is also great for trash compactors, garbage cans, cat kennels, and animal carriers. It helps eliminate odors in various places. We want the best for your best friend, and we're confident you'll love this product. If you're not satisfied, contact us, and we'll make it right. What we like. This litter box odor eliminator effectively absorbs even the strongest smells, keeping your home smelling fresh. It's made from plant-based ingredients, safe for pets and the planet, and extends the life of your litter. If you like a fresh-smelling home and want to reduce the frequency of litter changes, consider this product. What people say. The nail clippers are sharp and easy to use. The brush is soft and effective at removing loose fur. The kit includes all the essential grooming tools. Number 2. MEDUWEDU Dog and Cat Ear Cleaner Wipes. Introducing MEDUWEDU Ear Cleaner Wipes, designed for the gentle care of your furry friend's ears. These wipes are soft and easy to use, ensuring a comfortable cleaning experience for your pets. It fits your fingers perfectly and won't easily slip off. Made with natural plant formulas, these wipes are non-irritating and free of alcohol and harmful chemicals. They safely remove buildup and discharge, keeping your pet's ears clean and healthy. It helps prevent infections caused by dirt and earwax. Regular ear cleaning is crucial for your pet's health. These wipes make it easy to remove dirt and improve ear canal problems. Using these wipes is safer than cotton swabs, ensuring a better grooming experience for your pets. The wipes have a pleasant fruity scent that reduces odors and leaves a fresh smell. This helps reduce discomfort caused by infections, making your pet feel more comfortable. It brings you closer to your pet friends. MEDUWEDU offers a variety of sizes and refreshing fruit flavors. These affordable, high-quality wipes are a great choice for pet ear care. If you're not satisfied, please contact us for the best solution. What we like. These ear wipes are designed for gentle and effective cleaning, removing wax and debris with ease. They're made with natural, non-irritating ingredients and come in a convenient finger wipe design. If you have a cat that needs regular ear cleaning, these wipes make the process simple and stress-free. What people say. The nail clippers are easy to use. The brush is soft and gentle on the cat's fur. The kit includes all the essential grooming tools. Number 1. Oneisall Cat Clippers, quiet, cordless, waterproof. This cat hair clipper features a powerful motor and sharp blades for a smooth grooming experience. It's safe and efficient, with limit combs to prevent harm to your pet. Plus, it comes with a handy storage bag. Measuring just 4.7 inches, this cat trimmer is designed for easy handling and single-button operation. Its ergonomic design prevents wrist strain, and it's perfect for travel. Veterinarians also favor it for its precision. This cat clipper operates quietly, below 50 decibels, ensuring a stress-free grooming experience for your pet. Even the most sensitive animals will feel comfortable. It's perfect for anxious felines. With IPX7 waterproof technology, this cat shaver can be charged anywhere. A full charge provides 90 minutes of use, offering great convenience. You'll receive a carrying bag, the electric clipper, a standard blade, guide combs, a USB charging cable, oil, and a cleaning brush. Everything you need is included. What we like. This pet clipper is designed for a smooth and stress-free grooming experience, operating at a whisper-quiet level. It's waterproof, cordless, and easy to handle, making it ideal for trimming matted hair. If your cat is anxious during grooming or you need a portable and easy-to-use clipper, you should consider it. What people say. The nail clippers are easy to use and work well. The brush is soft and my cat enjoys being brushed with it. The kit includes everything you need for basic cat grooming. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.